In this video, we're going to work out the volume of a cylinder. And we're going to use this formula here, V equals pi r squared h. And you'll need to remember that one. So let's work out the volume of this first shape here on the left. So formula question, so write out my formula. Sub in my values. So pi times r, well r is half this distance here. So it's 4 centimeters is the diameter the whole way across. Then r must be 2 times by the height, which would be 12. Get that on my calculator, I'm getting 150.796 ... So to 3 significant figures, it would be 151 centimeters cubed. Okay. Looking at the next question, we're actually given the volume, 200 centimeters cubed, and we're asked to calculate the height. That's still a formula question, so let's write out the formula. V equals pi r squared h. Still a formula question. Let's sub in the values what we know. Well, we know that the volume is 200 centimeters cubed. Pi is pi. We're given that the radius is 3 squared. And then the height, we don't know. So let's just call that h for the moment. So what have we got here? Well, we've got 200 is equal to, well, 3 squared is 9. Pi times 9 is just 9 pi times h. So to get h on its own, i.e. to solve it, I'm going to divide both sides by 9h. And if I do that in my calculator, I'm going to get 7.07355 ... And just moving that up a bit, and then to 3 significant figures, this would be 7.07 centimeters.